Welcome to MarcStrong Edits. Today we're going to take a look at how to shoot laser beams from your eyes. Alright, we'll start off by finding the frame we want to start tracking from. Right click in the timeline and create a new null object. We'll rename this L. With our footage selected, in the tracker panel on the right, we'll select Track Motion and adjust the tracker around the eye, then click Analyze Forward. If the tracker moves off target, manually adjust the tracker and click the Analyze One Frame button for each frame that didn't track properly. Once we've adjusted the frames that didn't track properly, click Analyze Forward to continue tracking the remainder of our target. Once the track is complete, click the Edit Target button and make sure the proper null is selected, then click Apply. We're now going to right click in the timeline, create a new null object, and we'll rename this one R. And we're going to follow the same steps that we did for L. We'll now create a new black solid and rename it Saber. To stay organized, I'll change the label color to peach. Change the transfer mode from normal to screen. In the effects control panel for the Saber layer, we'll add the free Saber effect plugin from Video Copilot. Select the Customize Core dropdown and choose Layer Mask. We'll change the Saber preset to Mist. I'm going to scale up the Saber layer, and with the pen tool, I'm going to draw the mask at eye level. I'll change the color to orange and adjust the core start size to be a bit smaller. We'll parent the Saber layer to layer L. Under the mask properties, we'll keyframe the mask path to start from the eye and shoot out. We're going to duplicate our Saber layer and we're going to parent this to layer R. And we'll go ahead and position this over the right eye. And one final step I did, I created a new solid and made it orange. I set the transfer mode to classic color dodge and feathered it out. And just like with the laser beams, I parented to the L and the R layers, and this created a glow around the eyes as well. But that's about it. Thanks for checking out this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed this, be sure to let me know by giving it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.